So you've learned how to deposit money, now it's time to learn how to withdraw money. Again, very simple. We go back to the funding tab. We now go from deposit to the withdraw button. Once selected, this will be highlighted instead of deposit. This tells you you're on the correct tab. Now one thing you will notice, just like the deposit tab, is all of the recent withdrawals are here. Again, this is Ripple, Euro and Ether. Several funds, several amounts, and just a little insight into the fees you pay for each withdrawal. Now as you can see, every single one was a success. So if you go to the second page, success. The third page, success. And every other transaction to show here. Now very similar with GBP, especially for countries within the Eurozone, is we want to withdraw in the same currency we deposited with. So that's going to be Euro. So we go to Euro, and once again, very similar, we go to the withdraw method and select SEPA. Balance is insufficient, and that's purely because I have zero fiat currency in my account right now. Now if we go down, you have the option of all your saved accounts. I have my personal already selected, meaning whenever I want to withdraw to my bank, I simply select this and it's complete. Usually within a working day, your money has arrived. However, in this instance, we have to create a new account, so we press add account. Name of account, now this could be anything, mum, dad, just to name a few. Enter your IBAN number, which is the international bank account number. Name of your bank. For example, in the UK, this will be HSBC, Halifax, Lloyds or Barclays. Then enter the BIC code, which is the bank identification code. And then to find your bank's physical address, simply Google the bank name and area, and the result will immediately be available to copy and paste. Once that's saved, it will be available here, just like my personal. Simply select this and enter the amount you want to withdraw and hit send. For example, let's go to the USD version as well, before we move on to cryptocurrencies. For USD, you select SWIFT, press add account, and then repeat the exact same process again. The SWIFT number, the IBAN number, bank address and SWIFT code if need be. Then press add account and repeat the process of selecting your newly made account when you need to actually withdraw the crypto or USD. Now more importantly is sending cryptocurrencies. So for this example, we'll use Bitcoin. Go to withdraw method, go to Bitcoin. Balance is insufficient as I hold no BTC on this account, only XRP. Go to add address, description. This could be anything. This could be another exchange, your ledger, anything. All you do is enter the numerical deposit address provided from the other exchange or your wallet and create this as a new destination to withdraw your BTC to. When the time comes to send your crypto, you repeat the process of fiat withdrawals and select the relevant XRP account. If you want to see what it would look like properly, I'll use my XRP holdings as an example. So you can see I have several addresses such as Bitrex and my ledger. If I was to send this to Bitrex, I would select max amount. I would put review withdrawal, press send, and all it would do is reconfirm everything, showing me the address, the amount being sent, the fee for this transaction, and finally the total amount arriving after the fee is taken. What you will also notice is the one-time password needs to be entered as well. This is where the second factor we set in the previous lesson comes in handy. If someone was to jeopardize and hack into my account and try to release the XRP into their account, they would need the one-time password. Chances are they won't have your phone or your personal information, so they would not be able to withdraw the cryptocurrency. Therefore, triggering an alert and alerting Kraken to email you. From here, you can block your account easily, so it's very important you set this up. I will not be sending this anywhere as I do not need to. However, what I have shown you in this lesson covers every practical step before withdrawing crypto and fiat currencies. Now I'm going to show you how to avoid waiting one working day and actually bypass the banking system. See you in the next lesson.